Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Apex Legends. So let's get started right away. Now if you don't have the EA application, then you can open up your web browser and then type in ea.com in the address bar and press enter. Now from this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the EA app option. You can click on this to download the EA app installer, and once you install the EA application, go ahead and open it up. And after opening up the application, you will be asked to sign into your EA account. Now, if you used your Google, your Facebook, your Apple, Steam, Xbox, or PlayStation account, you can click on the respective buttons to sign in through these accounts. Or you can simply enter your email address or your EA ID, as well as your password. After entering your EA ID and your password, you can click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your EA account right away. And through this, you will also be logged in to your Apex Legends account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Apex Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.